Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishnan Nair, and here basically we are discussing about one topic that says that how basically the currencies basically are dependent. And in this basically we are discussing about this basically it comes under that is earthquakes. In this basically just latest basically earthquake basically which has came just now, that are this one. Philippines, California, New Zealand, Chile, and in last basically India earthquake basically was 22 hours before in Assam basically. On 3rd basically, 3rd December basically. So last earthquake in India basically was Assam basically, where basically the Cherrapunji basically is there basically, where Cherrapunji basically exists. So one person told that basically just now basically 2.8 earthquake basically came. That is connected to which story basically? Is it the future story basically somebody has done, or basically somebody has told that basically if anybody is going to do this, then this is going to happen. If anybody is going to do that, then this is going to happen. That somebody has told, or basically it's some totally different basically. So what is that basically we are going to discuss later on. In this basically now the basically topic is ideas. So just now basically which we had discussed, that was also basically one of the idea basically, that for example uh, in India basically assume that 3 and less than earthquake basically comes. That means India blood cells condition is this. More than 5 basically comes, then India earthquake condition is this. Sorry, blood cells condition is this. If it's coming more than 8, then basically the condition is this. Maximum earthquake magnitude is 9.5. If India basically more than this earthquake basically is coming, that means India condition is this. So this basically earthquake basically are giving the current condition, or basically it's telling that basically this is the future condition. That basically is the very dangerous topic basically, that basically we are going to discuss later on basically. Now here basically we were discussing about the ideas basically, which says that basically lots of things basically. In this idea basically potato and tomato idea basically also was there basically, that we have already discussed. Now here basically the one of the question basically, English basically language was created by German group, that everybody knows, that small kids also basically knows. But here the question is why they created English language. That basically is the question. There might be some reason, right? Without reason, nobody creates the. Nobody basically gives the 1 rupees also. Basically. Nowadays, basically, if anybody is giving some person's job, basically, for example, they say that basically you can. They nowadays basically if you are getting any interview also, basically that also basically without any reason basically they don't give the interview also basically. So you can just imagine the job basically, if anybody is giving job basically, that that means there might be some big reason basically. So here the reason is why Germany basically created English. What actually was the uh, behind that idea basically? Somebody might have given the idea, right? Without idea basically Germany like country basically don't create any language. So they have created many languages, mostly basically they have created many languages. So in this one of the languages is English language, A to Z, and 0 to 1, 1 to 2, like this basically 9, then 0. So like this this all basically are also created, right? So which story basically Germany basically skips to the English side basically, and which story basically they keeps. Story means ideas basically. Which idea or data basically they keeps, and they shift the data to English side basically. There might be some reason basically, right? Without reason they don't shift basically. So their basic shifting shifting behind the reason mostly basically is there are basically some reason basically. Reason basically might be that entire creation also might get end basically. Example is school basically what do? They take the permission of the lab, right? Basically that is the science lab. In science lab basically they takes the permission from government. Without permission basically not a single school basically gets run basically, right? So science lab is there. In that basically they take the permission of government, then satellites, then nuclear power company, local power company, then the global power company, and then basically the universe power company. Then they basically do take the permission of satellites. After that basically they activates the single formula basically. After only basically they activates a single formula basically. After that only basically they activates the single formula also basically. So you can just imagine if one formula basically is also basically activating by the this many permission basically. So this is basically big language basically, and the language is equal to crores of planets basically, which gets creates on the base of language, and 95% world basically are using English language. That is the very dangerous thing basically. So what actually German basically want basically, and Germany basically is only used in Germany only basically, and in Second World War basically Germany was also there basically in war basically, in war basically. So like this, the German has created English like this basically many languages are created. Like Arabic language basically mostly are created by German only basically. I think so basically, or basically it might be created by some Sanskrit or basically Tamil group basically. That also basically might be possible basically, because Arabic country basically are all into oil side, and oil basically is also one of the product basically. And European English people basically never use oil. They never use the oil. That is the main thing. That is the main thing. So UAE basically also is created by the German group only basically. UAE are also basically, so each and every country basically who are basically opposite to each other basically, they are basically mostly created by the German country only. Like Arabic and English, both are basically opposite. But in Arabic basically, in UAE basically English people also basically stay. English people also stay basically. So they basically never use oil basically. Mostly basically never use oil. They use only butter and basically cheese. This type of thing only basically they use. So this is also one of the idea basically you can say. Because if you use oil, that connects to your energy only basically, and that connect gives some idea basically. And if you eat butter basically and cheese basically, that also gives some certain level of views basically. That, and each and every item basically is connected with your some of the body parts basically. For example, oil is connected with your head part. Butter is also connected with your head part basically. So if you have the oil or butter basically in exceed way basically, exceed way means too much basically you can say. If you are using this in too much quantity or basically quantity, or is basically if you have oil basically too much in your foods basically, that time your body basically gets effect basically. So limit basically is the condition basically. Reason, oil basically whenever you are using oil, that time basically the thinking happens. According to thinking basically your body gets effects basically. That is positive level and negative level both sides. Same way butter also basically if you use, your ideas gets activate, and you're directly it's affecting to the your body parts. That is negative way and positive way both side basically. If you are thinking some other way basically, then it's damage basically, otherwise it's not damage basically. So next video we are going to see a little bit more about this.